Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these hang tags for a new product that will be launching on my website within the next couple of weeks. So you probably can't see that all that good. I'm going to enlarge it for you. So this is what they look like. I took this wreath image and I put my business name on the inside, and then I gave a little care instructions here, put these two little hearts here and my name there. And I did this upside down because when you fold it, it will be right side up. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how I made them. I've already printed them and they're actually ready to cut, but I realized I haven't given you guys a video in a couple of weeks. So as stated in my previous videos, stuff I do for my business, I will start sharing with you guys. I'm trying to cut costs as much as possible, and things that I can do myself, I figure I will do myself to save myself some money. So this is what they look like. And they're already on the mat, ready to be printed, like I said. So I'm going to show you how I made them. Okay, so I have a blank slate here. This is, I have my registration marks on. If you guys don't know how to do that, you just go over here in this upper right hand corner at the top of your panel. There will be a piece of paper with the corner flipped up. You just click on that, and this is page setup. On the page setup, I make sure it's selected letter here for 8.5 by 11. It's automatic on the cutting mat and automatic on the machine. I always click show print border and show cut border just so I know where to keep my image. So I'm going to go to my library. Here is my wreath with my business name. I'm going to select that. I'm going to just keep that right there for now. And then I'm going to go over here to my pre-made ones. I'm going to click on ungroup for now because I want to copy this here. Oops, hold on, it's got everything selected. I want to copy this. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and group that back together so I can print it when it needs to be printed. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the one that we're working on, and I'm going to just put that right there for now over in the corner. I'm going to take this, copy it, put this here as we wait. Okay, so what I did was, as you guys know, I mentioned it in my video that I did my Christmas tags in, that I purchased a monthly subscription to Silhouette. So I get a certain amount of credits to use every month to purchase designs. So I went in library. We're going to clear this out and click tags just to give me a narrower search because I have over 1,000 images, guys. Okay, so this is the one I actually chose. It's all grouped together right now. So we go here and click ungroup. The one I want, the one I used was this one. So the rest of these I'm going to take and delete them because I don't need them. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to turn the inside of this white just so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make a copy of this, paste it. So now we have two. So what I'm going to do now is take that green little arrow, flip this upside down. If you click shift, it'll help straighten it out for you so you have an even image. Your image is where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna just snap it together here. As you can see, it's together. But if I went to send this right now, it will cut that center line, as you can see, and that's not what we want. So go back to design. You're going to click on object, modify, weld. Okay, so now it's welded together. I'm going to make it bigger for now, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I want this to be slightly longer than what it is right now, so I just pull down just so, and then make it slightly wider. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take this wreath image with my business name, and that needs to be in front. So there we go with that. I'm going to just set that right there, make it slightly smaller. And then I'm going to take this. This is going to go on the other side. So as you can see, this one needs to come to the front as well. So I'm going to just move this out the way really quickly. Click on it, bring to front. So now both pieces are in the front where they should be. So I'm going to make this one bigger. Move the wrong thing, Nika. Things like this happen. Don't get discouraged. Okay, so this is how I want it to look. So now that I have both of those images there, I'm going to take this. I actually want this to be slightly bigger. Okay, so now we're going to take it and we're going to click group. And as you can see, now it's grouped. So when I move that, I have one piece. Now I made mine, I shaped mine to about 4. So I use my grid lines to kind of measure. I use 4 spaces for the grid lines, slightly bigger if you need to. So this is what it looks like. But because I already have one that I printed from the registration marks, which is this one, I'm going to go ahead and use this one to actually cut those tags out. So I'm going to load this into my silhouette so it can cut. Alright, so we're going to send it and then cut it. So it's reading the registration marks right now, making sure they match up what's on your computer screen. And there we go. Money saver, that's all I gotta say. And so they are cut, as you can see. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And you just throw that over there. You just take that little dot, you cut that, and then you have it. So when I go to fold it, that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So pleased with how it turned out. So I have some double-sided tape, so when I use this on the specific product, I'm going to use that double-sided tape to close that up. But this is going to look so cute. And what's most important is you made it yourself. Now what I see here, what I would go in and do is actually make this a little bit bigger so it takes up a little bit more space. For me, it's just too much white space. But you can do whatever you want. You can use different colored paper. I purchased my cardstock paper on Amazon. So I will leave the link in my Amazon shop. Just click on one of my boards or whatever they're called, and you'll find the specific cardstock that I use to make these hang tags. And I use 110-pound weight, which is good enough. For me, it's good enough. You can find harder weight paper if you want, but 110-pound weight is pretty good for what I'm using it for. And I also use the same paper to make my care instruction cards for my tutus and my t-shirts. So if you're interested in seeing that, how I made my care instruction cards, you can leave a comment down below and I will go ahead and show you how I made those. So I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of a cut of what's to come, a piece of fabric cut, and to see if you guys can guess what it is that I'm going to be bringing to the website. So this is called cranberry. This is on the wrong side, but isn't that so pretty? Oh my god, I love this color, guys. So tell me if you can guess what this is going to be used for and what it's going to be. Put it in the comments below, guys, if you can guess. But I have a ton of those in different colors that will be coming out to the website very soon. Once it comes out, I'll probably come on here and let you guys know. But just make sure you follow either my personal Instagram or my business Instagram. I will leave those linked so you guys know what that is. Also the link to my shop. I have some new items in my shop right now for Valentine's Day. I also still have the clearance sale going on all of my holiday items, guys. Stock up for next year. Buy the stuff cheap now and then have it for next year because my prices go back up, you know, during other holidays. But yeah, I have some new items. I do have some other items that I need to put on the site, which I'll probably try to do this weekend. And then the new products. Also, guys, I'm on TikTok now, but I just post my business stuff on my TikTok. But yeah, anyway, it's been a while since I've talked to you guys, which is why I'm rambling. But I wanted to just show you guys that, you know, when you're starting up a business, everything doesn't have to be so costly. If there are things that you can make yourself in the beginning, make it yourself. And for me, I'll probably continue on making certain things myself because I feel like it adds a little bit more of a personal touch to it. You know, the items I make, I'm making myself. I'm hand making things. So to me, having that personalization and just that realism of the products and the things I use for my products just means a lot to me, and I want it to mean a lot to my customers as well. So I hope this video helped you guys. Please, if you have any questions, if there's something you felt like I rushed through, or if there's something that you didn't understand about the video, please ask questions. I will help you out as much as I can. If I need to add on to the video or redo the video, I'll do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Coming up, guys, I am coming up to my last round of chemo, and then I'll be waiting to get that clearance, and I'm going to be so excited. And I'm hoping when I go for my scan that it's all clear, no more cancer, and yeah, I could just go on with my life. But thank you guys for the support. Thank you all for your kind words. I've gotten emails, direct messages from a lot of you, comments in my videos. I really appreciate it because this was a hard time for me. You know, we had the pandemic last year and then I got hit with cancer. And so it's just been so comforting to not only have the support of my family, but the support of you guys as well. And I feel like you're a part of my family too. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed. All of my social media is linked below in the description. And I'll see you next time. Bye.